This is one of UGREEN's Nexode Power Banks for charging all of your devices on the go. It'll charge and power anything via USB such as mobile phones, tablets and other small devices, but it'll even charge bigger and beefier devices such as laptops, as this one boasts a total power output of 130 watts, and it won't run out too quickly either as it has a 20,000 mAh capacity. That's over 4 times the size of the battery on my Pixel 7 smartphone and well over double that of my XPS 17 laptop. Out of the box, it's a tall and chunky block with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port on top. It's nice to see the older USB port there as well to help charge older devices. The lower USB-C port doubles up as the input port as well, so you can charge it from the mains before going away on a trip. On the front, if we peel off the protective film, you can see it has a large display, and pressing the button on the side turns that on and shows its current charge status. And if you plug a device or two in, it shows you which ports are in use and how many watts of power they're delivering. It also shows you in the top corner how long the power bank has left at the current power draw, and when charging the power bank, this tells you how long left until it's fully charged. If you press the side button again, you can see some other info such as voltage and a little graph, or if you press and hold the button, you can activate a trickle charge mode, which is recommended for charging certain smaller devices such as earbuds. Also in the box you get a short USB C-to-C cable, as well as a little protective carrying pouch. It's a great little power bank with a big capacity inside a small and lightweight footprint, and it's within the limits allowed for taking in your hand luggage on a plane, so makes it an ideal companion for your travels. First impressions are good, and I'm looking forward to taking it with me on my travels this summer and testing it out. Make sure you're subscribed and following to see how I get on with it, and if you'd like to pick one up for yourself, then click my affiliate link in the video description, where you'll also see its bigger brother, which has an even larger battery capacity and higher total output.